Volumetric fillers dose the exact amount of product into each cavity.
Excess material is recycled, ensuring minimal waste.
Automation allows us to produce thousands of units per hour. The mechanism grips the base of the bullet securely. The shipping case is the final layer of protection. Before it becomes the perfect shade of red lipstick, it starts here, in the desert sun. These white, fuzzy patches aren't mold. They are the secret to the color red. Harvesting requires a delicate touch to collect the cochineal beetles intact. Thousands of these tiny insects are needed to produce just 1 pound of dye.
Crush one, and the shocking truth of your lipstick's color is revealed.
Once harvested, the raw material is aggregated for the preservation stage. The insects must be dried immediately to preserve the potency of the carmine. Spread thin under the sun, the moisture evaporates, concentrating the pigment. Days of exposure turn the soft insects into hard, brittle husks.
Quality control ensures the raw material is perfectly dehydrated before processing.
We filter out cactus spines and dust, leaving only the pigment-rich carriers. Each crate is weighed and tagged, ready for the extraction facility. Secure packaging is vital to prevent moisture from ruining the harvest. From the farm, the raw carmine begins its journey to the processing plant. Millions of dried insects are now secured for transport. Here, the primitive harvest will be transformed into luxury cosmetics.
With the bridge secured, the transfer of raw material begins.
Our electric fleet ensures zero emissions inside the storage facility. Before processing, we verify the quality of the batch one more time.
This sample determines if the batch is ready for the grinder.
All external packaging is removed to keep the clean room sterile. Stainless steel carts are used to prevent contamination during transfer. Stainless steel carts are used to prevent contamination during transfer.
Dry hands prevent bacterial growth and ensure glove integrity.
Welcome to the heart of the factory, where the transformation begins.
The right tools are essential for handling the precious raw material.
The dried insects are now acclimated to the room temperature. The raw cochineal is opened directly at the source of processing. With preparations complete, the extraction process is engaged. Gravity feeds the material into the pulverizing chamber. High-speed blades will reduce the insect husks to a fine powder. Breaking the exoskeleton releases the carminic acid stored inside. The result is a nutrient-rich powder ready for boiling.
Precise weight ratios are critical for consistent color shade.
We use purified, reverse osmosis water, heated to near boiling.
The powder is submerged to begin the extraction of the dye.
Constant agitation ensures maximum yield from the raw material.
An alkaline solution helps dissolve the carminic acid from the insect body parts.
The brew must boil for exactly 1 hour to fully extract the pigment. Once boiled, we must separate the liquid dye from the solid shell remains.
The solid waste is discarded, leaving us with pure carminic acid solution.
Pressure forces the liquid through the cloth, trapping the solids. This ruby liquid is the blood of the lipstick, purified and ready.
We lower the temperature slightly before the chemical precipitation.
Alum is the mordant that will turn the liquid dye into a solid pigment.
Now, we perform the magic of chemistry, creating the lake pigment.
The alum bonds with the carmine, precipitating it out of the solution.
Gravity pulls the heavy pigment particles to the bottom of the tank.
We wash away the impurities, leaving only the concentrated pigment paste.
This wet paste is known as carmine lathe.
Gentle heat removes the remaining moisture without burning the color. After 24 hours, the paste has become a solid brick of pure color. To be smooth on the lips, the pigment must be ground to mere microns.
This is the raw pigment in its concentrated form.
Micronization ensures the lipstick won't feel gritty.
The shade is verified against the master standard.
Castor oil provides the shine and glide of the lipstick. Precision weighing is crucial for the batch recipe. Before the waxes are added, we must disperse the pigment in oil. This pigment oil mix is the color base of the lipstick. Waxes give the lipstick its structure and shape.
The waxes are melted at precisely 85 degrees Celsius.
Finally, the color meets the structure. The ingredients are combined, but the texture is not yet perfect.
To achieve a silky finish, we use the triple roll mill.
The paste travels from roller to roller, getting smoother each time. This machine shears the pigment particles, ensuring they are perfectly smooth. We repeat this process 3 times to guarantee perfection. This ribbon of color is now completely homogenized. Quality control confirms the particle size is below 10 microns.
The refined base is remelted for the final ingredient additions.
Scent is added last, so the heat doesn't evaporate the volatile oils. Moisturizing agents are blended in to protect the wearer's lips. Removing air prevents holes or imperfections in the final lipstick bullet.
We seal the tank to remove any trapped air bubbles.
The bulk mixture is now ready for the filling lines.
Heated transfer lines ensure the wax doesn't solidify prematurely. Even at the final stage, suspension consistency is key. The molds are prepped to ensure the lipstick releases easily. A light coating prevents sticking, ensuring a glossy surface finish.
Preheating the metal prevents flow lines and cold cracks.
Everything is aligned for the high-speed molding process. Volumetric fillers dose the exact amount of product into each cavity. Automation allows us to produce thousands of units per hour. The liquid must be cooled rapidly but evenly to solidify. A precisely controlled temperature curve crystallizes the waxes. Solidified and stable, the bullets are ready for extraction.
Excess material is recycled, ensuring minimal waste.
Sensors ensure every tube is perfectly upright.
While the bullets cool, the packaging is prepared.
The mechanism grips the base of the bullet securely.
Vacuum assistance releases the bullet without damaging its glossy finish.
A perfect, unblemished surface is the hallmark of quality manufacturing. The mechanism is tested as the product is retracted for capping. A secure click ensures the product remains airtight. Caps are sorted and oriented by vibration.
Identifying the shade is crucial for the consumer.
Laser coating provides permanent traceability for every unit.
The accumulation table buffers the flow before the packaging line.
The bulk of production is done, but specialized finishing is next. Even with automation, human eyes catch the smallest details.
Imperfect units are immediately removed from the stream.
Presentation is everything in the cosmetic industry.
Regulatory information accompanies every product.
The unit carton is formed automatically from flat stock.
Precision tolerance ensures the product is secure inside packaging. The packaging is sealed without the need for adhesives. A tamper-evident seal is applied for consumer safety. Heat shrinking provides a premium, protective finish.
Retailers require products to be grouped for shelf display.
These cartons are designed to be shelf-ready.
Weight verification ensures no empty boxes reach the customer.
The shipping case is the final layer of protection. Automated taping is faster and more consistent than manual sealing. Shipping labels contain all necessary logistics data.